Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel sugar. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and a small squeeze of lemon juice or a pinch of cream of tartar. You will also need a heavy-bottomed saucepan, a pastry brush, and a heat-proof spatula. Having everything ready before you start is key to a smooth caramel-making experience. Now, let's start with the wet method, which is often easier for beginners. Combine your 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water in the saucepan. Stir gently over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have dissolved. This initial stirring helps prevent crystallization later. Add your lemon juice or cream of tartar now. This acid also helps prevent the sugar from recrystallizing as it cooks. Once the sugar has dissolved, increase the heat to medium-high and bring the syrup to a boil. It's crucial not to stir the syrup once it's boiling. Stirring can cause crystallization. If you see sugar crystals forming on the sides of the pan, use a wet pastry brush to gently wash them down. Keep a close eye on the color. It will quickly change from clear to a lovely golden amber. The moment your caramel reaches that perfect amber hue, remove the pan from the heat immediately. The residual heat will continue to cook it, so quick action is essential. Be extremely careful, as hot caramel can cause severe burns. Carefully pour the molten caramel onto your parchment-lined baking sheet. Let it cool completely and harden for about 30 minutes before breaking it into delicious, shiny pieces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.